after a 12-hour sleeper bus?
Yeah.
From Ha Giang?
Which actually wasn't that bad.
Oh, it was so good.
I did sleep a ton, but I don't think I ever will on moving vehicles.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was clean and comfortable and
You had a curtain.
relatively quiet.
Yeah, it was good. Probably the best one we've been on. We've been on like 8 or something. So.
But we didn't do a ton yesterday, so we didn't film anything. Literally just walked around and we were exhausted after Ha Giang, so.
Laid down, we just like read and watched TV for the rest of the night.
Yep.
The thing about this island is there's no power.
Today and
yesterday and today, which is really frustrating. Well, they say they turn the power off during the days and it's supposed to come back on at what, 7 p.m. last night?
I went to bed at 10 p.m. and it still wasn't on.
Still wasn't on. So our room has like no service, no Wi-Fi. Our data doesn't work. There's no lights. There's no hot water. All the things. But anyways.
Good book, babe.
Good what?
Good book.
I didn't know. I feel like they should have told us before we checked in, but whatever.
I mean, they had the sign down there, but it is what it is. Budget travel. We've actually stayed in worse, even without the.
This is our view.
You're just working away.
Yeah. Anyways.
The city is in progress.
Yeah, it's weird. We'll bring the camera around tomorrow, whenever. We're only here for 2 days. But. Okay.
Big day ahead.
Yeah, where are we going?
We're going on a boat tour to Lan Ha Bay and a couple other little stops. We're going to do some kayaking and swimming. It's going to be fun. Beautiful little swim spot. Swim all the way to the beach, even Sam. Very proud of her for that. How was your swim over?
It was good. I did it. I did it.
I think that's the longest you've ever swam. It's pretty impressive. We can't figure out how to park the boat, I guess. Pretty big boat to fit in this whole place. These people are like, what the fuck are you doing to our boat?
Hello!
Howdy.
I think this is Lan Ha Bay.
No, we're in Ha Long Bay now.
No.
Yeah, as soon as we pass that one rock back there, the chicken rock, he said this is Ha Long Bay.
Okay,
now.
we're in Ha Long Bay, and it's not that busy. There's like, what, 4 big boats back there maybe? Maybe 5?
No, there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boats.
There's 10 boats.
10 boats,
but like...
not that many people.
No.
There's a couple people, but like...
It is what it is, but it's so nice. Having a beer.
Having a beer.
Life
Saigon,
is
Saigon.
Saigon, Saigon. Life is good.
Getting quite hungry, but
Same.
disease, can get sick, and the fish can die. But moonfish, moonfish.
Monkey Island.
Monkey Island. Didn't know this was a thing, but yeah, it's probably one of the only places in Vietnam that monkeys are still alive.
Look at the little monkey in the basket.
Aww, this one's cute.
So random.
Now, when you get when you get close, the baby monkey, be careful with the mouth of the monkey. You know.
G'day mates. Everyone thinks I'm Australian.
Yeah, so many people said that, and
Think
everyone knows
heard
I'm
that
Canadian.
before. Yeah, everyone knows I'm Canadian. Exceptional day though. I couldn't see doing this as a 2-day tour.
Yeah,
like to stay overnight. Like I think it's just extra.
Yeah, no, one day's been
Yeah,
perfect.
lots of swimming.
Yeah, it's
Monkey
been good.
Island over
Just
there.
went to
was
Monkey-
cool.
Oh, I don't want to get up to get a better view, so that's what you guys get.
But it's yeah, it's been beautiful. Beautiful weather. 24, 25 degrees all day and sunny.
Love it.
Can't ask for much more.